Hey guys, welcome back to my new Rainbow Six Siege video. Today we're playing Rainbow Six Siege. I'm playing Blitz as operator. I have very big flashes.
I will fucking shoot you.
Hello, Motog troops.
Please
Hello.
I'm fucking muting you. Oh,
Good
God.
kill, my friend. Good kill. Dude. Ow, fucking
For
A.
fuck's sake.
Dude, plants. Just fucking straight up planet.
Fucking.
No.
Fuck is going on? Fucking.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fuck, there's the chunk coming.
Yeah,
In the
little bit too late.
Hello, hello, hello.
corner. He's trying so hard to fucking run away from you.
Good job, man. Good kill. Very good kill.
Bait. Fucking idiot.
He's right here.
Oh, watch out! Get me out of here. I'm doing la boom. One down. Or at least I'm trying.
Fuck!
Hold out.
Down.
Hold on.
Where?
From behind, from behind.
Please, boys. Please.
Behind,
Get him
I
up,
got
get him
you.
up, get him up.
You're back, Zero.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Alright. I'll be on cams.
In the right corner there for camps. And not in the open.
Change.
I told you to stand
Oh
in
my
the right
God!
corner.
Literally, I saw him walk right under me.
Why the fuck are we playing with a calf, man? I don't like this guy.
I don't know.
Why are you cat man?
Just run outside, you know.
Just run outside the first second.
Just shoot a couple rocks and you'll get him.
Yeah. Play aggressive.
Alright, I'll fucking do it.
No, he's not. He's
I
gonna
wanna
kill
share
everybody.
Mortal, to be honest.
Just come back. Oh fuck.
The fuse.
There's a guy here. He's
Where?
breaking the fucking castle barricade.
Where?
Oh no.
Where? Oh.
Here.
You're opening the edge.
Which
I'm
one?
garbage.
Yes, indeed.
What? How the fuck is he still alive? He's dead now.
This is the strat. I'm gonna camp freezer till last second.
Nobody asked for you.
He's in.
No, he's not.
Huh? Oh, yeah, no.
To your left.
Nice.
Thank you. Nah, mate. Tactical rotate.
You're on the edge. Oh no. One is on the edge, one is in the corridor.
Spray the wall.
You got him.
Left.
You have one bullet.
Wall bang. Wall bang.
Oh,
yeah.
Good job.
Actually,
Nice.
good call out.
Fucking damn.
Good job, team. Very good.
Just fucking unboxed an alpha pack that gave me headgear for Kaid that is a slightly different shade of red than the original one.
For real.
That's what you call siege. That too.
I'm gonna get an ace with Kelly.
I just
Trust.
realized how fucking horribly cursed the sliding down animation is.
Yeah.
Because if you look at the fucking model from above, it kind of looks like the rope is just coming straight out of your ass.
Ik zou nu dat ik geen racistische dingen kan zeggen, omdat Damian die zit het allemaal in zijn kop te nemen.
Nee, maar ik kan het altijd uitknippen.
Oh, oké, fijn.
Oh my fucking god.
What the fuck did you do?
Fucking headshot him in an accident.
What the fuck? Dude, Monty clutch.
Aw. What? Wait, where the fuck
Where
was he?
Where the fuck did she come from?
Huh? She wasn't even on your screen.
Oh well. Alright guys, come get your rook armor.
Of misschien weet je wel het feit dat je...
Hold on, can I do this?
Do you want to buy some drugs, man?
Yes,
Got all the
yes.
drugs. Yes.
Yes, yes. Give me 2 kilogram.
Blow it.
Bro, wie zijn dit?
Doe
Ja,
het.
dat boeit toch niet?
Fucking do it.
Oh, dat is cool.
Oh, wacht maar.
Oh, there. No, we stay here.
Journaal, man.
Simon.
Daar gaat hij.
Oh my god. Simon. Simon.
Yes.
Jump down the hatch and you can kill
Any
Buck.
window.
Zoektocht in het sluis.
Kill him.
Huis is
Good job.
Zo opleidend.
opnieuw aangepast.
Oh mijn god.
What the fuck am I listening?
Dude, we're listening to and fucking master.
And that's just like the news, you know, for little kids.
Oh nee,
Dude, you're going fucking nuts.
It's Callie on stairs.
Kali's on the stairs, she's knifing shit.
Er zit traumatische beelden, Jorn.
Get your drugs.
Try C4, C4.
Ik kan vanavond
Zie
echt
voor
niet meer
me.
slapen, gehad. Ik ook niet meer.
Blow it! Shoot her!
Is dus
Shoot the gun!
Just shoot!
Oh my god.
I was killed for shooting a fucking ally!
Back man. Tense.
Today we're gonna compare a $1 to a $1 million.
My fucking YouTube channel is gonna be on an FBI watch list for sure.
Out, balcony, balcony.
I have no idea how I killed him. I have no idea how I killed him as well.
Nice.
You're trained well.
motherfucker.
Alright, he's dead as well. Oh fuck.
Oh.
Downed actually. Well, you're blind as fuck, so you can't see anyways. Oh, you're blind again. Oh, you're blind again. Hey, you got him. Yes, nice. Like, I actually have no idea how I killed those two guys on the fucking balcony. And then there was the guy that had the drop on me that was coming from like the main stairs. He was coming to the left. I was looking into the fucking other side, through a wall, in a window. I got shot from there. I turned around, saw the guy, headshot him, turned around, fucking sprayed that guy down, almost downed him, and then got shot. Hello, Modok troops. Hello. Good kid, my friend. Good kid. Jokes on you. There's
Where the
nothing
fuck
on
are
here.
they?
They're actually in this. Yeah, they're in this spot. Yeah. Ow,
For
fucking
fuck's
A.
sake.